Hello and welcome back to Art by Julie E. Welcome. These are the products we're going to be using. I use a school glue pouring medium 70-30 and we're going to be working with a cloud pearl mixture that worked really cool for these school glue cloud pearl blooms I did last week. I'm just in love with this new recipe and technique. It's not really a new recipe, that's the thing. The cloud pearl mix is a new recipe for me, but the school glue pouring medium and the ratios to it are basically the exact same as a regular school glue bloom. So if you would like to try out and experiment with the cloud mix recipe, please go back and check out my last week's video called Eureka, and the full recipe is down there in the description. The other colors we are working with, that kind of berry looking one is really pretty. That's Lucas Krill Mauve mixed with Master's Touch, like metallic berry wine. There's our color of the month. Woohoo! Yay! It is Phthalo Turquoise. Nate picked this out because this is our color of the month collab with Nate Bright Art, and yeah, I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. And there is my cell activator. I'm trying something new. It's Amsterdam Rose and it should work. The square is black. It's an opaque, so we're gonna try it. I will tell you, I do go ahead and I scrape. Sorry, it's really pretty. I didn't get a lot of reaction in the center that I really wanted, and my phthalo blue, which is supposed to be the star of the show, you know, my phthalo turquoise, kind of disappeared in it, but it is really pretty, and yeah, it broke my heart too to blow it away. So, but yeah, that gold is just Franken gold that I take and all my little leftovers and I throw it in that bottle and shake it up. So, let's see, what other color was there? I don't think there are any other colors, just the phthalo blue, the mixture of mauve and wine, and the gold. Yeah, that's it. And then, yeah, that rose by Amsterdam. So, yeah, once I get done with this and I decide, I don't want to do it, it's not what I want. It's the blue just wasn't showing up right. I go ahead and I mix up some more of the oxide black as a cell activator instead. I go in with that and try and redo it with that, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. You gotta wait for it, okay? But that's why we're kind of speeding through this first one and just fast forwarding through all of it and everything to get to the pièce de résistance. So, and I do go through a lot of paint, but don't worry, it all gets scraped up and reused somehow, and you will see. I scrape a lot of this into a cup. The drips are on freezer paper, so I'm going to let those dry, and I will have skins to make like jewelry and stuff with. It all works out in the end. So, yeah, not a lot of waste in my studio. If you can tell, I am kind of working with one hand here. I injured my shoulder. Well, injured, I guess you could call it injured. I don't know. It's just sore from a life well lived. Let's put it that way. It's just past life has caught up with me, alas. It's nothing that some physical therapy, exercises, and some ice packs won't make better again. So, but yeah, this shoulder is really killing me right now, but it'll get better. So, and I want to thank you for all of you that showed up for the Earth Day collab with Nate Bright on Sunday and Monday, and wished me well and everything. It means a lot, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But yeah, it's just age catching up with me. I had a birthday this weekend too, so another trip around the sun. Woohoo! So, yep. Oh, the joys of getting old. Gotta love it. But yeah, I made a mistake. I put down black cell activator through over that pink cell activator. I thought I'd throw the pink back in just to give it a little bit of, you know, I don't know what I was thinking. I was hurting. And I made a mistake, but it doesn't really show up. But no, wait, you gotta see this. It's really cool. I didn't get the reaction I really wanted from the cell activator either, but I'm keeping it because the color blending. That color blending is so beautiful. You'll see in the close-ups of when it's dry. It's just, oh, to me, it kind of looks like abalone shell. I am really digging this, and I hope you dig it too. Please, if you've made it this far and you like what you've seen, please do the UB-Tuby things, the likey, subscribies, and sharies. And please go back and check out Nate Bright's other half of this collab, my collab partner in crime, who picked out this gorgeous phthalo turquoise color. Please check out the description for his link. It'll be in there. Go check out him, subscribe, do the likey, sharey, subscribey things for him too. And yeah, so here I'm just gonna spin this out and try and expand some of that. Yep, spinning with one hand. Oh yeah, I almost pick up the spinner and toss it off the table. That was fun. Man. But, oh, there we go. There it is. You should see what didn't make it into this video. Oh my goodness. Me trying to open the bottles. That was really funny. Yeah. That was just sticking them between my knees and trying to twist. I was trying to, you know, I'm biting the cups to pull the cups apart. Yeah, it's just, it was a hot mess. There we go. I spun it out. I think it looks freaking awesome. Wait till you see these close-ups. They're coming up here real soon. I think. Pretty soon. There we go. It's almost dry. It's only been a few hours, but it's almost dry. It is so hot here in southern Arizona right now. It was 102 yesterday in Phoenix, y'all. 102. Oh my gosh, and we got some wildfires and brush fires and stuff going on. It's hot. It's hot. Yeah, so look at that. Doesn't that look like abalone shell? It looks like abalone shell to me. I think it's just beautiful. Absolutely love phthalo turquoise blue. It's so pretty. Look at that. There's so many shades to it. In concentrated amounts, it dries almost black blue. And then when it bleeds out into white, it gets this gorgeous kind of greenish sky blue. It's a fantastic color. Absolutely fantastic color. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye!